I'm not gonna put it there. What do you think, as Filipina with a morena skin tone, do you think these Korean products can be used by a morena? The verdict is...
Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Pat.
And I'm Kat, and we are
the Drug Queens.
Together we make videos that are local, drugstore, and affordable.
And speaking of local and drugstore products, we have here a very new product that we have at Watson's.
Yes, we discovered this Babydoll Korea's.
So cute!
Girl, surprise ka pa niya pag na-open mo siya talaga.
And it's only for
99 pesos.
What? And they are only available at Watson's. So, if you guys want to know our thoughts about this, if it's worth your 100 pesos, then please keep on watching. Ito na nga, meron kami here products from Babydoll Korea. Simulan na natin with the lip and cheek tint. They have two colors. One is candy red
and candy coral naman yung isa.
Yeah, so we're gonna see what's inside. Pero ang claims at the back is, get the perfect blushing appearance with our easy to blend gel for lips and cheeks.
Alam mo, may naalala ko sa kanyang lalagyanan. Yung parang quick fix, parang ganito, oh.
Yes.
Like with this foil-ish na ano. No? Parang,
yeah.
alam mo yung maganda sa mga ganitong kinds of products? Like, it's super easy to bring with.
Oo. Very handy, very portable.
Oh my gosh!
Yes!
I didn't know it has a handle.
Yes, all of the wands are nakaganyan.
O, diba? Na-shock ako. Na-shock talaga ako.
Okay.
Oh, cute! That is so cute!
Doe food applicator na rin siya, pero sobrang small.
Yeah, but then again, nakala ko, as in,
Squeezy?
Yeah, squeezy too.
Really? Okay. Akala mo
Galing.
squeeze, pero it's a wand.
This is, oh my goodness.
Candy coral.
It's so
This one's
scary.
nice.
Diba yung yellow tone niya, no?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, but hindi siya red.
Looks orange.
And you can see here, this is the coral one. And then this is the red. Parang mas pinky tone pa yung coral.
Blend.
Oh my gosh, it sets in so fast. Ang hirap niya nang i-ano.
Walang scent.
Girl, I think this is yours.
Palit tayo ulit. Kasi we thought like red should be like pinkish, diba?
Yeah.
Or very red. And then coral would be...
No. Mas pinkish. Coral is more pink tone. And then the candy red is more on the orange tone talaga. No? We're going to use it first where?
cheeks. I'm not gonna put it there.
Guys, alam niyo naman yan sa channel na ito. Talagang natatakot na kami, ano? Dahil maliit lang siya, maliit lang din yung amount na meron siya, no?
So, tingin mo kaya natin diretso na?
Oo. Ang konti ng
Product na nakukuha.
kinakapa ko talaga kung hanggang saan.
Kung ano, parang should we like pag ganyan? First time ko makakita ng tint na naka-sachet. Right?
A few moments later.
Kulang pa. Like, hindi siya
Kulang.
nakikita sa screen.
Pagod na yung kamay ko.
namin. Blendable naman siya, pero dahil maliit yung applicator, konti lang din yung amount of products na nakukuha mo. So, paulit-ulit ka din.
Okay.
Sabay. Akala ko, very pigmented na tipo, isang dot lang, it would occupy my whole cheeks na or pwede na siya. Pero hindi eh. So, parang kailangan marami. Nakailang dip tayo dito sa sachet. And this one is, so 2 grams. So, I don't know kung gaano siya tatagal sa'yo. Kasi it's very small.
Where we're going to put it on our eyes na rin. Naubos agad siya. As in, parang ako walang nilagay. Totoo ba
Okay.
yun? Ba't ganun?
Yummy din. Mahiyain siya, girl. Ayaw lumabas ng color.
So, kailangan sobrang kapal ng lalagay mo. And then, like, huwag mo masyado sobrang i-blend kasi it's like gooey thing. Yeah, like something like that.
Nope, cannot be.
Hindi talaga din. Look at mine. A bit though.
Bit, yeah. But it's sticky.
Yeah.
I think not advisable to for lids, I think. Kasi it's very hard to control where the product is gonna go.
Naka 15 minutes na tayong magganto. What? Gusto ko na muna mag-lips. Ayoko na muna magsalita.
The verdict is...
Wait, we've already said something about the cheeks, right? When we applied it to cheeks. How about in the eyes? Like,
I don't advise using it sa eyes. Kasi naman, lip and cheek nga naman ang sabi ni ate. Ang sabi dito sa claims. But, you know, dito sa channel kasi natin, we've always tried even lipsticks to put it on our lids kasi. So, just trying out lang if possible. Pero, I think this time, hindi siya advisable to use sa lids kasi it's very hard to ilabas yung pigment niya. Like, ang dami nating beses nag-apply and then, tsaka lang siya lumitaw.
but for me, first time kong nilagay, nawala. Di ba, we were both like, oh, wala siya. Second time, I just tabbed it, like dab, and I drag it. Lumabas na siya. Pero ito this time, mas madami na. Then again, napagod pa rin yung kamay ko.
Puro ganyan-ganyan. Nagkamarka na rin ako actually.
Yeah, sa lips.
Sa lips, okay naman siya. Like, just put it on the inner. Yun. It's a very quick tint sa lips. Parang ganun. If you need like pambuhay lang ng lips.
Ako, I don't like it. Nag-set siya sa gitna lang. Even when I apply it sa taas, ayaw niya. Tapos nag-ombre din ako. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung, dahil ayoko lang talaga ng ombre or talagang,
Ang ganda naman, love.
kitang-kita yung settling nitong nasa gitna. Ito yung mga lip tints na ayaw ko, na nagsiset talaga siya sa gitna. At yun nung nakikita ko, nung nakikita ko yung white here, and even though I tried to put some dun sa corners ng upper lip, none talaga. So, I think, pumasa siya sa eyes?
Eyes for
Sa
you.
eyes lang, kasi pangalawang beses, tak, tapos na. Yun lang.
Sa lips akin okay lang. Although natikman ko siya.
And,
Andun din yung ayoko na taste sa mga tints. Like yung bitter
yeah.
tint aftertaste.
Alright, the next one will be eyeliner. So, we'll see. Natuwa ako dun sa dun talaga sa applicator. Sana matuwa din ako dito. Okay, this one is a long-lasting black eyeliner.
Enriched with blueberry and soybean extract. Deep black color give your eyes more charms using this waterproof, long-lasting eyeliner.
Daming things na. Use the brush tip to create a straight line right on top of your lashes. Yun lang. Weakness ko yan. Walang direction na brush.
Ay, you mean yung
Ang
brush
tawag mo
lang
dyan?
siya? Dip brush?
Oo.
Dip eyeliner. So, isa siyang dip eyeliner. So, don't expect a pencil or a felt tip na i-refill mo. So, it's a brush. Okay, so while Pat is doing her eyeliner with a lot of focus and a lot of patience, okay, so I'm gonna read out to you the claims of the mascara. Okay, this one is a volume.
And curl mascara. It's color black. With one swipe, get long, dark lashes with bold volume like a doll. Wow, like a doll.
I'm very curious kung paano niya malalengthen and mavolumize yung aking lashes na very sparse. So, let's see. So, I'm gonna do like yung Korean eyeliner na pababa siyang ganun. Can you see?
Then again, nakita natin kung gaano katagal si Pat maglagay talaga, no? So, we're gonna do the other side.
off cam.
Off cam.
So, eyeliner, it's black, yes. It's quite hard to apply if you're not sanay with the dip eyeliner. And hindi kasi siya naka-shape na very thin. So, medyo yung bristles niya straight and such. And so, kung hindi mo alam paano siya gawin or hindi ka sanay, you'll have a hard time doing a very nice winged or eyeliner.
So if you're a beginner, we don't really recommend the long-lasting black eyeliner for you because it doesn't have the angle brush na para makatulong sa'yo when you're doing a wing or something. And also, hindi siya yung hard brush or hard tip, which yung could help you control yung amount na paglagay mo and also where to put it. Yeah, and also, it's super, super wet.
Parang hayaan mo muna siyang matuyo bago ka mag-open ng eyes para hindi mag-transfer yung product sa iyong lid. So, marami na kasing product ngayon na eyeliner, I think, na people choose is yung felt tip talaga, yung ganun. Pero ako personally, I don't use felt tip kasi nauubusan siya ng ink and then yung discoloration and stuff, hindi siya ganun ka-black. Although this one is really black. Kasi if I compare it to other eyeliners, medyo grayish.
Let's jump to our last product.
So, while Pat was doing her eyeliner, I read the claims na. So, guys, this is the mascara. So, let's open it na.
I really like your hairstyle. Like, super, Sabi mo nga, kanino ka na-inspire ng one side?
Full House ni Papa Bear. Something.
Yeah.
And,
I wanna see it.
ta-da!
So cute!
Wow! I was expecting a smaller one.
Yeah, actually.
It's big. It said here is volume and curl mascara.
What can you say about the mascara upon application?
I like the color. I like the one na malaki siya. So, it occupies a lot of, area. However, hindi niya ma-split yung hair ko. So, nahihirapan ako. So, medyo nag-clump siya ng kaunti. Siguro dahil yung one is not that far apart yung mga bristles. Kaya hindi niya mahiwalay pati yung hair ko.
Yeah, same thoughts for Kat, that it's super wet at yun yung mga bagay na kailangan mo na ng kutsara dito sa eyelids mo para hindi malagyan yung eyelids mo ng mascara. Kasi every girl who does their mascaras or their lashes would know na talagang nagkakaroon ng dots dito, and this one is really prone for that. I'm very particular with mascaras and napansin ko agad na hindi niya na-hold up yung curl kasi kanina nakikita ko pa yung eyelash ko dito sa may eyelid. But now, wala na. Parang canary weight. Let me finish my left eye. Finish our full makeup and then proceed to our conclusions. Okay, ito na talaga siya. Final look. Maganda sa mascara, nag-dry siya agad. So, we were able to curl our lashes again. But, anong ginawa mo sa lashes mo?
Okay, so I tried, splitting my hair up using a spoolie from, a spoolie lang. Ayun. So, if you compare kasi yung spoolie kasi mas further apart yung bristles. So, mas nahihiwalay niya. Although, yun nga, nag-dry fast siya. So, nakadikit na siyang ganun. Like, for example, this is hair number 1, hair number 2. So, nagkadikit na siya. So, nag-dry na siyang nagkadikit. So, like, medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin. Pero, nag-succeed naman ako kahit pa paano. And then, I curled my lashes. And then, we tried it sa lower lashes. And yeah, very sparse talaga yung lower lashes ko. Pero, nabigyan niya ng hair. Get what I mean? Parang nagkaroon siya ng hair. So, parang na-volumize niya yung very thin ko na lashes.
Babydoll, 99 pesos. Should our subscribers and our followers, should they buy it? Like, what would you say to them?
Babydoll Korea is a very new product and it's only available in Watsons. The thought or the idea behind this is very cutie. So, I feel like yung kanyang target audience is like yung teenage, like cutie. Ganon. So, like, it's very cute. Like, kahit ako mapapabili from the packaging itself. Although, for 99 pesos, kasi the packaging itself is, para sa akin, worth it na siya ng 100. So, yung cosmetics or yung product inside is already a bonus. However, yung performance nga lang niya, yun nga lang, medyo nagkulang tayo sa performance na ina-expect namin meaning at the age of work age na or employed age na, I think it's not the performance that we seek that can help us in our daily lives as working women. Although I cannot say for sure na you should not buy it kasi I enjoyed playing with it and I enjoy the products and very handy dandy. So for me, if you're gonna buy, I think the best product na you can buy, for example, you only have 100 pesos. Ano sa apat ang bibilhin mo? I think it would be one of the lip and cheek, I think. Kasi anyone naman can use it. Up to you na lang kung anong color you like. How about you?
Talata na yung sinabi mo, parang ayoko nang dagdagan kasi tinapos mo siya.
I'm sorry. Okay, for a morena like you, kasi Korean products are very, very parang maputi, mestiza lang, ganyan. So what do you think as Filipina with a morena skin tone? Do you think these Korean products can be used by a morena?
Oo naman. Of course. No problem with the color of the tints. The eyeliner and mascara, that's basically the basic eyeliner and mascara that everyone uses. Morena, desai, yellow, white, or pinaka maitim na. So, like, sa tints, kung yun ang naman naging problem mo, it's like a regular tint. So, pwede siya sa Morena.
Would you recommend to our subscribers these products?
If you wanna try it, you go try it. But if you're going to ask me, Kat and I have different really opinions about products that we really use. I think I am not gonna buy it twice. For 99 pesos, I really can't see how much products I can have per... Kasi like, it's not as clear as yung mga lip tints but then again, it's compact. I think it's because, okay, naubusan ako ng lip tint. Kuha lang. Okay, kailangan ko mabilisan. So, it's something na handy lang siguro kasi you can fold it or whatsoever. So, I guess it's something na for grabs. Kailangan mo lang bigla. So, like, you can have it kasi it's 99 pesos lang.
One, diba? Like, you really enjoyed the ones.
I was really shocked about the ones kasi, the normal stuff na ganito yung packaging. It's like, squeezy tube lang talaga na meron sila and then you apply it. This one has its applicator, so like, yun ang cute yung part yun.
Very innovative, very first.
Yeah,
it's a first for me, for us.
And that is it for today.
I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we kinda enjoyed it. Joke lang. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to follow our social media accounts. It's posted right here, and our previous videos is over here.
Thank you so much for watching. See you again on the next one. Bye!